here I have OPPO A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, you have to press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and that's how the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, so easily. And one last time, power down, volume down, power key, and yeah. You can find these screenshots in the gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, favorite, edit or delete your favorite screenshots, and you can also perform other actions from this list. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.